Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well. Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat. I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel hot and tired. Yes, I feel hot and tired.
Don't worry. It looks like the flu. Don't worry. It looks like the flu. Drink a lot of water and rest. Drink a lot of water and rest.
I will give you some medicine. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Get well soon. Get well soon.